It's been 1 hour, and as you can see, the epoxy is not ready to come off yet. You can still put lines in the epoxy, it's still very liquidy. We are now at hour 2, and as you can see, the lines from the first hour are gone. It's starting to get a little bit tacky, but it's still kind of moving with the popsicle stick and not ready to come off of the turner. The epoxy has now been spinning for 3 hours, and as you see from hour 2, the lines are gone again. That's how we know that it wasn't ready. It's starting to get tacky, but there's still kind of strings like pulled candy that's coming off of with the popsicle stick, and that shows us that it's still not quite ready to come off the turner.
We are at hour 4, and you can see from hour 3 that it's almost disappeared right there, but it's still a little bit of a bump, so that's a good sign. So we're now at a point where it's sticky, but it's not moving. This is the point that you can take it off.